I gotta pound these tentacles, get them nice and tender, or else they're gonna be really hard and not enjoyable to eat.
Octopus are very, very difficult to cook. You know, if you undercook it, it's very tough and chewy. And if you overcook it, it's dry and chewy. There you go. And I think he's going to put it into a pressure cooker.
It takes a long time to get the perfect cook on that octopus. That is going to be right down to the wire.
I'm gonna get my octopus in the pressure cooker for exactly 30 minutes. The irony in the situation is I'm literally in a big pressure cooker.
Okay, wait, it's crumbling.
The look I'm going for is a whole piece of charred corn on top of the panna cotta.
This isn't good. It's falling apart. I gotta get this off.
She's really struggling with the corn there.
Come on, Thea.
I just need to pick my other corn and pray for the best.
This one's good, this one's good.
5 minutes, you have 5 more minutes left.
Both cooks are bringing this down to the wire. I mean, Thea has already started plating. Her dish looks incredible. Trevor's got nothing on his plates right now.
My strategy is to produce very artistic dishes that have a story, and that takes a lot of time.
Trevor loves his fine details.
He just loves to make sure that everything is absolutely perfect.
Stay focused, buddy.
Oh, Trevor, let's go! 1 minute, you have 1 more minute left.
Come on, guys, you can get it done.
You got this, girl. You got it.
You got this, Thea! Come on, you got this!
Trevor, yeah.
It's down to the wire on every plate. This is the most pressure I've ever felt in this kitchen.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up.
That was intense. Absolutely gorgeous, Trevor. Woo!
My main course is gonna be lamb two ways. I'm gonna be serving it with a celeriac puree. I'm gonna be braising lamb shanks, and I'm gonna be braising lamb tongue. Both of my cuts take a really long time to cook, so I'm going with the pressure cooker again.
I think the trickiest meat to cook in a pressure cooker is the lamb. There's less fat.
And if you overcook that, it's going to become stringy and dry.
It's a lot of added pressure, so I'm hoping for the best.
I need to get my ice cream on.
Thea is displaying incredible time management.
She's getting her ice cream for her dessert in the entree round.
My ice cream is going to take a really long time, so I want to get that started right away so that if there is any problems with it in the final round, I can improvise and change it up.
Trevor should be multitasking like Thea is in order to stay on top of things.
I think Trevor is going to be in trouble.
Timing is my worst enemy on this entire challenge, but I thrive under pressure, so I'm loving it.
Pineapple, where's my pineapple?
For the main, I'm doing a braised pork cheek tamale ball with crispy pork belly and pineapple mole. I'm no longer the girl that got the second chance and just barely made it in. I'm now the best of the best. You can't question that. I'm in the finale.
You know, mole sauce is one of the mother sauces in Mexican cuisine. It is very difficult to get right. It's about really balancing spices, heat, not an easy task.
Ooh, it's spicy.
Got a little steam coming from your ears, dear.
Just gotta get that puree going.
The tables have completely turned. Thea is cool, calm, and ready, and Trevor is trying to play catch-up.
I'm way behind. I'm rushing to get this finished.
Look, look, look. And it's caught fire.
I look over, and my entire pressure cooker is in flame. I put too much port wine in my pressure cooker. I'm freaking out.
Whenever you add alcohol into a pot, always make sure that pot starts cold. It's a very hot pot. It can ignite right away and can take away a lot of hair, like Michael. I mean...
I had to restart it up. I lost a good 10, 15 minutes of pressure cooking time.
You got it, Trevor.
I hope my lamb shanks are tender.
10 minutes, you have 10 minutes left.
What the heck's happening?
I'm deep fry my tamale balls, and when I turn and look, the deep fryer is not to temperature.
Stupid fryer.
The fryer is still the quickest way to cook this. No going back, I have to stick with the plan.
Okay, please need a minute.
I looked down at my lamb, and I couldn't be happier. It's exactly how I envisioned.
Beautiful.
Get it going, buddy.
All right. He's running out of time.
My lamb reduction, I gotta get reduced before it goes on the plate. It's too fatty, it's too whiny. I'm cutting it really close.
And this is a sauce that needs usually hours of reduction. He's gonna try and do it in minutes.
He is really pushing it now.
Keep an eye on that for me.
Pull it together.
I gotta get back on track. I gotta be able to plate. My plating is everything.
In 5 minutes, the server will be coming for the entree.
Hot.
I'm getting frazzled because I don't have that much time to plate.
Look at the focus right now. This is next level.
You got this, Trevor. 1 minute! 1 more minute left!
Thea, you can do it. Oh my God,
10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up!
I'm doing a play on traditional Mexican coffees. I'm doing a orange sponge cake, a cinnamon ice cream, and a dusting of espresso powder.
Tight on time. All comes down to this. My dessert is a really rich dark chocolate mint gelato and a Dutch cocoa pizzelli cone.
Both Thea and Trevor are making ice cream, but Thea started her ice cream when she was plating her main course,
It's delicious. Cinnamon ice cream.
whereas Trevor is just starting his ice cream base now.
I am cutting it so close for time on this dessert, this might bite me in the butt.
Honey, put this in the basket.
Thank God the ice cream started because I still got to do a cake, a toffee, a mousse, a caramel. I got a lot of things going on. I need to get this done.
You know, I am a bit worried. There's a lot of element on that plate, and I hope Thea has the energy to push through.
I'm gonna die.
So Trevor is making pizzelle. It's like an Italian wafer-thin cookie that can be shaped once it's hot into a cone. Perfect for ice cream.
10 minutes,
Let's go, 10 minutes. Thea's cake is out of the oven now.
That's got to be a sigh of relief for her.
I need to cool my cakes.
Now I need to plate.
I'm good.
Look at the way Trevor's plating. Trevor is an artist.
My hands are shaking like a leaf. I know I need to make sure my plating is absolutely beautiful.
Just 5 minutes left.
In 5 minutes, the MasterChef Canada kitchen will be closed.
I go to my ice cream machine, and it's nowhere near being frozen.
How's it looking, Trev?
Trevor is starting to panic because his ice cream is not setting.
He's not gonna have enough time to set it.
If I don't nail this ice cream, I just have a chocolate puddle on a plate.
His MasterChef journey could end right now. Oh, God.
My only option is liquid nitrogen. It's a crazy gamble. I've never worked with it before. Let's give it a shot.
Trevor is really thinking like a chef and adapting to the situation. Using liquid nitrogen is always risky, but it's either try it or serve as soup.
Brilliant.
2 minutes. You only have 2 more minutes left. 2 minutes.
Come on, girl, you can do it.
I'm gonna do a little mousse.
Oh my God, that looks amazing.
That ice cream and that liquid nitrogen, it's got to come out right about now, otherwise it will be like a rock.
One problem turns into another. The mold is so frozen that it's actually rock solid. I can't get the ice cream out of the mold, but I gotta keep pushing hard to get this dessert out.
So Trevor's just come back from the equipment room with a torch. So now he's heating the bottom of that silicone mold, which should release the ice cream.
He is not giving up, and neither is she.
Thea has just brought her ice cream from the blast freezer, and she has 1 minute to make canals and get it on the plate.
This is so much pressure, but I gotta shake it off because I need to make the best damn dessert these judges have ever tasted.
There we go.
There he goes, coming out.
Yay!
Wow, he's doing it.